How are you everyone, and welcome back to Hustle Performance YouTube channel. Today, we've got another new product for you for our Mustang GT. But before that, a quick history lesson. The Australian delivered Mustang GT is actually what we call the Performance Pack 2 vehicle. But it is missing one thing. It's actually probably missing a few things, but one that is really noticeable. It's missing the Performance Pack 2 front splitter. So what we've done today is we've reached out to our friends over at EC and they've sent us over a PP2 splitter. So let's open this up, have a quick squeeze. At least we know it's nice and safe, protecting the ends. This is bigger than me. That would have been easier from the get-go, wouldn't it? Right. Save that for later. Here we go. The Performance Pack 2 splitter comes with a bag of screws as well, so handy. We'll use these to obviously fit the product to the vehicle itself. Here we go. The Performance Pack 2 front splitter. What we're going to do, we're going to throw this in the boot. We're going to drive on down to Aero Performance. We're going to utilize their hoist today. We know you could do this on the ground using a jack, etc. But just for ease, we are going to use a hoist. So again, we're going to go down to Harrods, fit this up to our car, and try and achieve that slightly more OEM, but aggressive style. All right, we've put the car up in the air. I've laid out our tools. I'm going to throw on my gloves and we're going to start this installation. Let's get ready for that aggressive look. First things first, starting on the passenger and driver side of the vehicle with the factory splitter, we're going to remove the two 7mm screws. I will say, this process is normally made that little bit easier with two people, but seeing as I'm doing it today on my own, I am going to use our trusty trans jack and reach out to that for assistance. So first things first, I'm going to start by refixing the 7mm screws that were in the factory splitter, making sure we obviously line up our holes and go through our EC PP2 style splitter. Change over guns now from the impact driver to the impact wrench. And let's start screwing these in one at a time. Well, there you go. What can I say? The EC PP2 splitter. It really has added that aggressive look we were going for. It's not over the top, but it's just enough. For now anyway. Guys, this particular product is going to be available through the websites of Mustang Mods, Aero Performance and Full Throttle Custom Garage. For further information, please hit up any of the companies or talk to us in our comments section below. In regards to our video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, As always, thank you to our supporters, Herod Performance, Mustang Mods, and Full Throttle Custom Garage. It's time for me to get this car out of the shop, on the road. Guys, Hustle Performance, driven by passion.